Because she's like, oh, you and your truck driver, like not scrutinize, diminish you. You know, like, why you even talk to the guy? You know, he's just a truck driver. The way she talks, I hate her.
We're fucking people.
No, you're not people.
We communicate. We fucking talk. If I do something wrong,
yesterday she yelled at me. She told me, you didn't scan the plaques. Yes, I did. No, you didn't. I know I did. No, you didn't. Fuck that. So today I'm video it because something is wrong with the scanner. I unload it, and then I distribute later. So it doesn't register as unload. So I'm gonna video it that it says unload, and then I dock it. You know. And then if she complains, I take it to the unit. I'm so sick of her. I'm sick of her. Gosh.
There's like 3 boxes.
Yeah.
In the Gaylord.
And how many pellets?
There's 3 boxes in the Gaylord,
yeah.
And there's a bag in there too. You need to scan.
A bag that I need to scan.
There's a bag in there.
And
too.
how many pellets?
5.
5. I need to go and shit.
There he is.
God damn it.
Hey, what kind of flashlight is that?
Don't mind, I'd like to get my Pokemon back.
Now hear this! No one finders, keepers, losers, weepers,
It's obvious our busy schedule is wreaking havoc with her poor rattled brain.
Look, I'm in a hurry, so you have 10 seconds, see? 9876543.
We can count too! Just cool your jets!
Good, now we'll be able to battle already.
You know, there's something strange about this place.
It is Ash and the Challenger from before. Oh, hey, Fantina. Doing some shopping? Mais oui, mes amis. I'm on my way to prepare a great feast for all of my magnifique, hard-working Pokemon. Oui? Oh? What kind of store is this?
It's a storage service.
Now, that is very strange. I've never even heard of a place like that.
Come on, people. Let's go with my Pokeballs and make it quick. Huh?
Yet another tour. Who doesn't know what's real?
You'd think by now this would be no big deal. Past the stars!
Look at him squeal! Bringing chaos at a breakneck pace.
Dashing all hope, putting fear in its place.
A rose by any other name's just as sweet.
When everything's works, our work is complete.
Jessie.
And James.
Yeah, that's a name. Putting the do-gooders in there.
Stop! Enough already! I've got it! Jesse, James, and Meowth! Wow!
Skip manners class, did we? And what exactly is it that those people do? Team Rocket is so nasty they actually steal other people's Pokemon! No!
Now that's a fair synopsis, as we'll be stealing all of yours.
Upsy daisy!
You can't leave!
They won't! Go! Fly score!
Time for a face-off! Carnivine! A battling face-off, not a biting head-off!
Quick, Survivor! Let's fight this strong! I would be honored to handle this! Now, Miss Maggie, use by me food sweet! Yes, Maggie!
mile an hour.